Hi, Intro to Web Design. It is the week of October 15th, and we get to start a new unit. So Unit 3 is Cascade Styling Sheets, or CSS for short. Up until now, you have been learning HTML, which gives you the content and the structure of your website. CSS is used for styling your website. So CSS gets to be the cool kid and makes the site look good. So you're going to work on 3.1.1 on Monday, and which contains an Edpuzzle. So it has a slideshow with questions to answer. So please answer those. And then you will continue on to 3.1.1 the second time, which is Code HS. Yes, we're going back to Code HS. And make sure to follow the screenshot that is in Schoology because you will be in section 3 and you'll only do the first subsection of it. And again, just use the screenshot in Schoology to make sure you're working on the proper sections. And then there's a CSS code references, which go to a document as well as w3schools.com. Then on Tuesday, you will want to tackle 3.1.3, which is color values in web design. So in the Edpuzzle slideshow, we used some colors, which was hashtag 33333, I believe, and you're going to understand what that means in 3.1.3. There are several different ways of adding color to your CSS. Then you will also complete 3.1.4 as well as starting 3.1.5. So your assignment that is due on Monday from 3.1.1 and point 2 is the Edpuzzle, questions from the Edpuzzle, as well as your Code HS pieces. There's a couple of quizzes in there and a video to watch and some things like that. And then on Tuesday, your assignment is 3.1.4, which is CSS locations. And then also you have a color values assignment under 3.1.3. It sounds like a lot, but it's not. You shouldn't have any trouble getting through that. And as always, if you have any questions, give me a shoot me an email. Almost said give me a call. And then lastly, under 3.1.5, which you want to you want to get started on that on Tuesday, is going back to my first website, and we're going to do part 2, which of course is going to be in CSS. So I look forward to seeing you this week. Talk to you later. Bye.